Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your delivered or completed transactions on the Remitly app. Now, the first thing you want to ensure is that you're under the correct currency or a currency that you're currently using or the currency that you want to find those delivered transactions for. If you're under a different currency, and I'm going to show you how you find that on the upper right hand side of your phone, you'll have an edit button. So if you're under a different currency, let's take, for example, Cameroon here, right? If I've never sent money to Cameroon before, as an example, you will see that there's no history, right? There's no contacts, there's nothing there. So you want to ensure that you select a country that you have sent money to in the past. Now, once you do that, you will be able to find a lot of activities here, and your home screen will look much different, right? So from here, you want to click on the view all towards the transfer side, and you'll be able to find delivered. So you have all transfers in progress and delivered, and here it's going to show you all of those delivered transactions, and that's it.